Hi viewers! In this video, I have successfully converted microwave oven transformer into spot welding transformer, and now I am going to test it to see how much does this transformer can output voltage and amperes. As you can see, I short-circuit the secondary winding with a piece of metal to test the maximum output amperes. I have selected the AC 600 amperes range. Poor connectivity. Let me fix it and check again. Overload reading. It means the output current of the transformer is more than 600 amperes. Okay, now let me select the 1000 amperes and test again. As can be seen, the output current reaches at the 918 amperes. Test again. Testing voltage. .4 volts AC. Full video of how I convert this transformer next part, please follow me. Thanks for watching.